If you're wondering whether SiteGround or HostPapa offers better customer support, you're in the right place. Customer support is crucial for any hosting provider because at some point you'll likely need assistance. So let's dive into the strengths and weaknesses of both and stick around until the end because I've got a better alternative for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. First, let's talk about SiteGround. SiteGround is often praised for its excellent customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. The response time is typically fast, and the staff is known for being knowledgeable and friendly. But there's a catch. While they provide solid support, some users report that once you reach a more technical issue, the level of expertise starts to vary. And on rare occasions, you might get a support agent who struggles to resolve your issue right away. While this isn't the norm, it's something to keep in mind. Next thing, let's discuss HostPapa. HostPapa also offers 24/7 support, and their customer service is generally well rated by users. They provide multiple contact methods, including live chat, phone, and email. Their support staff is trained to handle a wide range of issues, and many users report positive experiences with their customer support team. However, HostPapa's customer support isn't always as fast as SiteGround's, with some users complaining about long wait times during peak hours. This could be frustrating if you need urgent assistance. And while their team is generally competent, they don't always have the same depth of technical knowledge as SiteGround, especially when you're dealing with more complex issues. The third thing we should look at is the quality of the knowledge base and self-help resources. SiteGround has a very extensive and well-organized knowledge base. It's full of tutorials, guides, and troubleshooting articles that can often help you solve your problem without needing to reach out to support. HostPapa does offer a knowledge base, but it's not as detailed or easy to navigate as SiteGround's. Some users find that HostPapa's documentation could be more comprehensive. The fourth thing to consider is the personal touch. SiteGround is known for providing a more personalized support experience. If you're a paying customer, they seem to go the extra mile to ensure you're satisfied. HostPapa, on the other hand, has been described as offering slightly more generic support. That's not to say they don't try hard, but you might feel like you're just another ticket in the queue. Now, let's talk about the weaknesses. SiteGround's customer support can sometimes be a bit overbearing. Some users feel that the agents are quick to suggest unnecessary upsells or premium services, which can be a bit annoying, especially when all you want is help. As for HostPapa, as I mentioned, long wait times can be an issue. Plus, their technical support isn't always on the same level as SiteGround's, which might leave you frustrated if you're dealing with a tricky issue. So, after trying both of these services myself, here's the thing. Both SiteGround and HostPapa are decent hosting providers with decent customer support, but they come with their own set of challenges. If you're after fast, personalized support and don't mind paying a little more for it, SiteGround could be your best bet. However, if you're more concerned with price and don't mind a bit longer wait time, HostPapa could still work for you. But if you want something that offers both excellent customer support and better performance overall, I highly recommend checking out the alternative in the first link in the description. This provider offers a free trial with exclusive benefits only available to my viewers. After trying all these services myself, this is the one I'd go for. Don't miss out on the best deal. Check it out now.